Hi, this is Ken Boyd with the Accounting Accidentally website, and this is my review of QuickBooks Online versus desktop and which type of accounting software is right for you. So as a slide down here, I want to mention that I am a contributing writer for QuickBooks. I'm a huge fan of the software. I think it solves a lot of problems, and I find that out with all of my writing. And specifically that using accounting software, any software, helps you to work more efficiently, productively, and it also sets you up for growth because you can't grow if you don't have tools that allow you to do more work in less time. So what about QuickBooks Desktop versus the online version? My general comment here is that I think just about everybody can go to the online version, but there are still some reasons to use the desktop version, and it depends on your own needs. But you should keep in mind that the online option is available for both Mac and PC, but by definition, you do have to have an internet connection to get access to the online version always. However, since web access is almost everywhere, I think the online product is the best alternative, but if that's not for you, that's okay. So going back to what I opened with, why is accounting software important? I'm convinced that nobody can grow profitably without using accounting software. And I believe it more every day as I write on business topics, particularly for the QuickBooks Resource Center, where I'm a writer. I have a link to an article here that I wrote on QuickBooks about why no business should use Excel to account for payroll and all the problems that come up with that. Excel documents can get misfiled or you can end up using the wrong version. You can make input errors. You can link spreadsheets incorrectly. And what all this means is that your payroll calculations are incorrect. And there are penalties and fines for having payroll calculations incorrect. And perhaps more important, you're going to have angry employees if you don't get withholdings right and if you mess up tax records because that messes up the tax return. You can lose Excel files due to a system crash or by not saving the version of the document that you want. So I've seen this for years. And I suggest that Excel is a terrible tool to account for payroll. Go out and get yourself some accounting software. I know companies over the years that have spent days doing payroll every month, even for companies as small as 20, 40 employees. There's no way you can grow to 200 employees if you're using a 2-day process to do payroll for 40 employees. It's just, the math just doesn't work. So invest the time to move your payroll processing to a new software package. Now, there are some reasons to use desktop. If you're a retailer and do inventory, the desktop version offers more features related to inventory, bills of material, cost of sales. So if you're a retailer, there's some extra bells and whistles you might need, particularly if you're a sophisticated company. Desktop also has some additional features related to job costing products, doing job estimates. Other than that, though, I think that a service-related business can use the online version and get great results. That's as far as we'll get right now. Remember that if you go to the Accounting Accidentally website, if I scroll up and go to the home page, we have 200 to 300 blog posts on accounting and finance topics, and you'll also see, if you slide halfway down the page here, that I have links to over 400 YouTube videos. My blog posts are listed here down the side. Thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.